In this video, I'll show you how to turn off promotions and social in Gmail. So to be able to turn off promotions and social in Gmail, the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open Gmail on your device. Now make sure that you are signed in. Now click on this gear icon at the top right of your screen. Under this, click on the See All Settings button. So that will take you into the settings of Gmail. So in this section, simply head over into the Inbox tab, and under this simply uncheck the social and promotions. Now once you scroll down in here, you will be able to save the changes for your Gmail inbox. And that is how you can basically turn off promotions and social in Gmail. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos.